All right. Good morning, friends. Good afternoon, friends. Good evening, friends. According to your time over there. It has been a long upload video tutorials on my channel due to some issues I was facing. I lost my phone and I need to get back to work, so I got to start video tutorials again. So sorry for not being uploading videos. Okay, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make your logo, your 3D logo effect. I'll be talking on two major parts. First, how to fix your effect so that your design color will come out as expected, like the way you are, like the way you are seeing it over here, so that it will not be like the effect from the mockup affect the design, the color quality, so that it will appear very well. Okay. Then secondly, I got request on photopea not extracting, or when they place the mockup it will not convert to the way they can use it, like when you want to turn the logo to a transparent so that you can place your own design on the layer. And also I'll be showing you guys how to fix your design on the layer so that it can come out big. So these are the two major parts I will be working on in today's tutorial. So keep on watching. Please don't rush the video. Make sure you watch it step by step. Don't skip any part so that you will not miss the essential parts on this tutorial. Okay, let's get down to business. Now I'll be going straight to photopea environment, so let's just do that quickly. Okay, this is where you enter your URL for the photopea. Just type photopea.com, then you search. Automatically it will now open the environment for you. Now this is where you upload your PSD file, which is the mockup file, to work on your logo design to make it more unique, more professional. Okay, so what we'll be doing first, we make use of this tool. At the top you see file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, view, and all that. So our concern here is the file, which is this. Okay, so you click on file. I'll be doing it step by step so that you won't miss any part on this particular tutorial. Click on this open, where you can upload your PSD file. Just click on it. Automatically it will now open your phone storage where your files are located. So you select file, okay, select file, then you locate your PSD file wherever it is. Like if you watch now, these are my recent file on the phone, so that is why you see them close to each other. What we'll be making use of in this tutorial is this 3D Creative Hub 3D mockup, which is this. Okay, this is what we'll be making use of this time around. All right, so just click on it, then allow it to load. If you watch the top, then you will see loading. So just allow it to load. Just be patient. Note, photopea only works well on phone that has 3 gig, 4 gig and above, because it will take only good phone that has good storage to load these mockup files. Okay, all right, let's get down to our major work. If you watch the design now, the color of this design is not coming out well. The reflection affected the design very much. So what we'll be doing now is how to fix the reflection so that it will not affect the color combination, the color that is used on the design, so that will come out as expected. Okay, let's get down to business. Just click on your layer from the top over there. Click on smart object. Smart object. Then click on open. Alright, this is your layer where you place your transparent design so that you start working with it. Now you go back to your file. Click file, click on open and place. Okay, so click on your file again. So now you select your design. This time around I will be making use of this design. Okay, good. Just click on it. So allow it to load once more. Just be patient, it will load up now. Okay, good. If you watch now, the file is on top of the previous one. Okay, so what we do here, just click on your layer, off the top one because we don't need it. Off it. Just click on it first and off it. Then click on your layer. Okay, then click on this now. All right, now if you watch the design I just placed now, the design did not cover the whole of the space. So now we'll be making use of our transformation control, which is this very one at the top. Transformation control. So just select it. So this is the size of the logo you just uploaded. So what you do, just click on the edges, sorry. Alright, just click on the logo, then drag across, drag from the edge, sorry. Just be careful so that the rotation will be alright. So just drag across, rotate it. Alright, accept it from the top here. Go back, still adjust it. Make sure you are on the layer, which is the logo layer, your design. So make sure you are on it, and try fix it. Okay, produce a little, then try fix it. Alright, watch the red line. Okay, it's on the middle now, so you can now accept it. Just click on this good over there at the top, this good here. Okay, so alright, so now you can now swap back, remove the color. Now you go back to your file, click on your file, you select this save smart object. Okay, then you click on save smart object. Just allow it will now load again. Just be patient, it will go off. Just be patient, it will go off. Just be patient.
Hey there, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Just be patient. Just be patient. Alright, okay, now let's go back to our design. Then you click on this one at the left corner. Click on this. You will see this Creative Hub Mockup, 3D Mockup. So you just click on it. Then hold on again so that it will load. Hold on again to load. Just hold on again to load. That is why I said your phone should be 3 gig and above. 3 gig and above. Alright, so this is the design now. Okay, if you watch carefully again, you see that this design, the color did not come out as expected. Okay, the color did not come out as expected. So how can we get this resolved now? Okay, just quickly click on this lay at the corner here. Click on lay, which is this. Click on lay. Click on lay. Okay, click on lay. Now if you watch carefully, you will see some effects. You see light effects. So click on the effects. Then you now see a drop down menu. Just the first effect, just off it. Just watch carefully. Okay, now you can now see the design. The color has appeared as expected, but you can still see the reflection coming out from your right hand. So what you do again, just click on delay again. Now you work on the effect. What you work on now is the light. So you off the light. Alright. You can now see your design is well organized and the color has appeared as expected. So this is how we get it done. So if you are new to this channel, just please, I'm begging you with the name of God, just subscribe to the channel, because that is what keeps me going. Okay, so this is the design. This is the design. So let me show you how you can download it. So after you've done all this, now you click on your file again from the top, then you export as. Click on export as. So you see several formats there. So you click on your JPG. Click on JPG, and it will now download. To now show you the quality, how you want it to look like. So you normally make use of 70 or 100 as the case may be, but you can just allow it to be at this 70. But if you want to increase it to your 100, you can leave it stay the same. So you click on save. See it at the done task upload. So let's open it and see our end result. So this is our logo. You can see it is very beautiful. So this is how we do it. So thanks for watching. See you.